Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how well we can use indefinite pronouns. Let's introduce some indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns end with body, one, thing, or where. For example, somebody, anyone, everything are indefinite pronouns. We use body, one, thing, where to refer to people, places, and things in a general way. We write them as one single word, apart from no one, which can be written as two separate words or with a hyphen. Somebody, someone, something, somewhere. Anybody, anyone, anything, anywhere. Nobody, no one, nothing, nowhere. Everybody, everyone, everything, everywhere. The differences in their meanings are the same as the differences between some, any, every, and no. We use them all with a singular verb. Let's make some sentences. Is anyone helping Claire with the washing up? Everybody makes mistakes. I'm looking for somewhere I can store my bike. Let's talk about the indefinite pronouns ending with body and one. Body and one both mean the same thing. In informal contexts, we use indefinite pronouns ending in body more often than pronouns ending in one. The forms with one are more common in informal writing. For example, nobody was interested in the talk, or no one. Everybody started to clap, or everybody started to clap. Now pay attention to these two expressions. Somewhere nice, nothing much. We can add an adjective or adverbial expression to these infinitive pronouns to make them more specific. For example, A. What did you do at the weekend? B. Response, nothing much. Are you thinking of anyone in particular? Is there something else I can do to help? Let's put them in three categories of people, things, and places. People, somebody, anybody, nobody, everybody. Things, something, anything, nothing, everything. Places, somewhere, anywhere, nowhere, everywhere. Pay attention, we can use anybody or anyone. The meaning is the same. It's also true for someone, no one, and everyone. These are singular words, so we use a singular verb with them. For example, does anybody want cake? Everybody loves the new puppy. However, we can use they, them, their. Anybody who wants cake should pass their plate. Nobody brought their bag. Well, now it's time to say goodbye. Hope you find it useful and interesting. If yes, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting lessons and topics. Thank you.